Yo, man, Mobile Nation back with another video. Man, it's been too long. I couldn't stand not making videos. I mean, it wasn't much I can do, but I finally got me a $10 Google Play card so I can open some now and later packs because I was truly bored and really wanted to make a video. So let's hop into these now and later packs. We're gonna open up these last two premium packs, and then we're gonna open up best on pro packs and now and later pro packs. Let's see what we get. Like I said, man, I was just tired of not uploading anything interesting or any videos, period. But yeah, let's see what we get. Our best player is Alex Boone, which is horrible, but what can I do about it? It's EA giving me these pulls, not me. Ooh, we get the Nico Autry. You know, he's worth absolutely nothing. And he's a DN. Really, he should have more than 60-something speed. But hey, it is what it is. Let's see what else. Ooh, DeMarco Murray. Alright, 2 release in 1 pack. That's not bad. Alright. Chris Scott. We get Steven McLendon and the Silver Trophy. Now that, cover your eyes, whatever. That's not bad right there. 2 release in 1 pack. I'll take that. Alright, let's open up these 2 packs pretty much. See if I can get anything. Wow, we get a Mike Adams captain set collectible. I mean, that's not worth anything, but hey. Let's see what else we can get out of these now later pro packs. Max Stark. We have our last one here. Let's see what we can get. We get Darian Stewart. He's an okay player. But yeah, man. That's all we got for this video. I wish I can open the bundle, but $50 is a little much, people. Or EA, actually, to be honest with you. Yeah, I had to pay $50 for it, and I did not feel like paying $100 for those 2 bundles. But yeah, please like, subscribe, peace, and share. Peace.